We're starting the introduction now?
Yeah.
I'm Stevie Marshall. This is Black State Burnout.
World record.
World record Black State. With the blowtorch. Here we go.
A lot of black state. I can feel the heat. Get angles, we can YouTube it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
It's huge! Look at the size of that stick. Go on this side.
Oh my god. Dude, this is a lot of heat.
I know. Look at that smoke. Weren't there color ones in here or something?
They would just be mixed in. I got those fused together.
Just leave it there. Someone's gonna be driving around. What the F was that? Dude, I can feel the heat from here.
That one's just huge.
I know.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that thing growing, dude.
Straight up out of it. It's going out of the ground. It's just picking more up.
That is just not dude. This is we killed all the others.
This might be a world record, like in all honesty. Like who does more than this thing? Huh?
Still going. We should probably pick this up.
No. It's a monument.
I'm gonna get in the parking lot or something.
No way. We're gonna pick it up with, and where to?
Sounds good.
Went down, 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 and the flames, they went higher. Burn, burn, burn. The ring of fire. You gotta walk around now. The ring of fire. This is going on the YouTube. I went down, 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 the flames.